thank you for joining me. Today we're going to learn how to do the plank with the foam roller. So, obviously you can do plank as a regular mat work exercise. When you do plank with the foam roller, be aware there is a muscle on the front of your shin called the tibialis anterior. And while we use it often, we do not tend to stretch it often. So if you are rolling on the front of your shins here as we do plank and you feel a pain, it's that muscle. And you can decide that doing plank with the foam roller just isn't for you, or you can decide that accessing this muscle and giving it a massage is a really great idea and add this in more often in your workout and your stretching repertoire. But before we begin, you always want to make sure your foam roller is nice and round, firm, no divots. And here we go. So let's begin. I'm going to get my roller in front of me here. One variation that you can do of a plank on the foam roller is, of course, forearm plank. You want to get set up and get your roller onto your shin. Shift your body weight forward. Get the elbows right under the shoulders. And then you'll lift up, belly button to the spine. Now, you want to make sure you stay away from your knees. Inhale to rock back, exhale to shift forward, just back and forth. Make sure, lift, lift, lift. And go ahead and lower your knees and come on up, take a little break. Now we're going to do the full plank version. Okay? So you want to make sure you've got that roller down far enough so you can shift back and forth without running into your kneecaps. Get your hands placed. Nice, strong arms. Press the floor away. Belly button to the spine. We're in a good knee down beginning plank here. And then we're going to lift up and shift and come forward. I'm going to move my roller out. And lower the knees. I hope that you have enjoyed this video on how to do a plank with the foam roller. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can find me on Facebook, Pinterest, and at my website, www.custompilatesandyoga.com. Thank you.